The best representative of Neo-Hindustan in the second half of the 19th century was A. Ramakrishna Paramhans, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Ans. B. Vivekanand attended the Parliament of World's Religions, held at Chicago in A. 1872, B. 1890, C. 1893, D. 1901. Ans. C. Who among the following participated in the Parliament of Religions held at Chicago in 1893? A. Dayananda Saraswati, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. B. Who among the following represented India at the World Parliament of Religions at Chicago in 1893? A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, B. Ramakrishna Paramhans, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Ans. C. In which year Swami Vivekanand took part in Parliament of World Religion? A. 1893, B. 1895, C. 1897, D. 1899. Ans. A. Who among the following famous reformers wrote the books Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Raja Yoga? A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Ranade, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Ans. A. Who was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission? A. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, B. M. N. Dasgupta, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Swami Ranganathananda. Ans. C. Ramakrishna Mission was started by A. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, B. Dayanand Saraswati, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Ans. C. Who founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 AD? A. Vivekanand, B. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. Shyamji Krishna Varma. Ans. A. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in the year A. 1861, B. 1891, C. 1893, D. 1897. Ans. D. The Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekanand in the year A. 1886, B. 1892. C. 1898. D. 1897. Ans. D. Who was Sharadamani? A. Wife of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Wife of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. C. Mother of Vivekanand. D. Daughter of Keshab Chandra Sen. Ans. B. Dayanand Saraswati founded. A. Brahmo Samaj. B. Arya Samaj. C. Prarthana Samaj. D. Bahujan Samaj. Ans. B. The year Arya Samaj founded. A. 1865. B. 1870. C. 1875. D. 1880. Ans. C. Who established the Arya Samaj? A. Ranade. B. Dayanand. C. Dayananda Saraswati. D. Swami Vivekanand. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. C. Who of the following is responsible for the revival of Vedas? A. Ramakrishna Paramhans. B. Ramanuja. C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. D. Swami Vivekanand. Ans. C. Who had said, "Let's go back to the Vedas"? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Dayanand Saraswati. C. Vivekanand. D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Ans. B. Who among the following is known as Martin Luther of India? A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Swami Shraddhanand. Ans. A. Satyarth Prakash was written by A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Ans. D. The writer of Satyarth Prakasha is A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Swami Nishchalanand. C. Swami Chinmayanand. D. Swami Haridas. A. None of these. Ans. A. Who has written Satyarth Prakash? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Dayanand Saraswati. Ans. D. Satyarth Prakash is a sacred book of A. Arya Samaj. B. Brahmo Samaj. C. Theosophical Society. D. Prarthana Samaj. Ans. A. Who was the author of Satyarth Prakash? A. Swami Shraddhanand. B. Maharshi D.K. Karve. C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. D. P.T. Shri Ram Sharma, Acharya. Ans. C. Which among the following organizations supported Shuddhi movement? A. Arya Samaj. B. Brahmo Samaj. C. Dev Samaj. D. Prarthana Samaj. Ans. A. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. The Arya Samaj movement gave self-confidence and self-reliance to the Hindus. Reason R. The Arya Samaj movement undermined the belief in superiority of white race. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Ans. B.